Hey guys, so this video is actually going to be a Patreon special. If you're a Patreon supporter of mine, you could actually take part in the production and recording of this video. This one I kind of just free-handed this time, but thank you to Will Green. He thought this video would be a great idea, so I'm just going to go ahead and produce this one, and then later or future videos will be done with my Patreon supporters' help. Alright, so let's get on to the video now. As we can see, there's some light rain going on in the picture here. The red truck is fully loaded around 80,000 pounds and is traveling approximately 50 miles an hour-ish. And then over here on the left-hand side, we're going to see another semi-truck come up that is actually empty. The speed limit on this road is 55 miles an hour, and the empty truck is probably going every bit 55, maybe give or take a little bit. One thing I'd like you to take note of is the amount of rain mist coming off his tires. That's quite a bit of water sitting on the road top. And right over here at this bend, he's going to start to jackknife, and then he's going to make a big mistake of hitting the brakes, which only makes it worse. And there you go, he hits the wall, jackknives, hits the other side of the wall, and then the tractor comes around and comes to a rest right there. Now, this jackknife was completely avoidable by traveling slower. You know, with the amount of water that was on the highway, which you could tell by the misting of the tires, it was a fair amount. And if you're empty, you're much more likely to jackknife. The guy that was fully loaded was, you know, a couple of miles below the speed limit. And for the fact that he was fully loaded, you know, he didn't jackknife. Now, this driver is sitting on the CB, and he's letting drivers behind him know to slow it down. An accident just occurred. And then he's about to get out of his vehicle to go check on the driver. And you'll notice that he's going to go around the back end of this trailer. He should be coming into view right about now. But you will also see two people come up around the right side of the red tractor, and they will go underneath the trailer. That is not the smartest thing to do, for the fact that if the trailer was damaged on the kingpin, it could slide backwards, where if another accident was to occur, they're going to be underneath the trailer and could easily get in a situation that would be very, very bad. So yeah, never go underneath the trailer. There goes the truck driver right there. I actually had it timed it a little bit wrong, and shortly after that you should see the two people that will go underneath the trailer. Never go underneath the trailer, especially after an accident like this. It's not safe to do so for a multitude of reasons. Better to go around it or jump the wall and go on the outside of the wall right there. That would be the safest bet. Or going around the back edge of it where you can see traffic. Anyway, that's basically the end of the video right there, as you can see. And so yeah. Alrighty guys, so as we saw, that guy was just traveling way too fast. You can see a lot of, you know, misting coming from his tires, and with him being empty, that just spells a recipe of disaster. That other guy was loaded and was traveling slower. You know, traveling a few miles an hour below the speed limit is not going to cost you. Driving too fast in this situation definitely caught him. And that goes to a saying that I tell all my students, and I kind of agitate them with it, is if you're going too fast, you can't always slow down, but if you're going too slow, you can always speed up. So always side on the side of caution and slow down, especially in adverse weather. And if you're empty and driving on ice versus being loaded on ice, you're better being loaded than empty. But that's another whole video topic. But yeah, so that we might go into that. Now, I would like to shout out my Patreon supporter. I had two, it went back down to only one, but this Patreon supporter is giving me $40 a month, so that is absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. And at the $40 mark, he has the ability to call me and talk to me, you know, on the phone. So yeah, that's pretty cool. He also gets some insight information before a video is actually recorded or done. And I'd actually asked him if this video would be something that would be very interesting, and he was like, hell yeah. So I'm going to make this as a new series for my Patreon supporters. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, you can be a part of the next video recording that will go in detail about this. And if you're on Patreon, you'll be able to see this video before anyone else. So yeah, there's that. And I might use Patreon to do kind of a little bit of informal videos where you can kind of see some of the behind the scenes stuff that my YouTube viewers might not be able to see. That would be kind of interesting. Kind of let me know down in the description, in the comment section what you guys think of that. But I'll make this the end of the video. So thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And down in the description, of course, is the information to all my social media and a new email. So read in the description to find the information on that. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.